Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud for advanced LinkedIn branding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email and password. If you do not have an Adobe ID, select Start Free Trial or Create an Account. Follow the prompts to create your account. Once signed in, explore the different Adobe Creative Cloud plans available. Choose a plan that best fits your needs for LinkedIn branding. Click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button for your selected plan. Fill in your payment details if you choose to buy now. If you opted for a free trial, download the Creative Cloud app. Install the Creative Cloud app by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the Creative Cloud app. Browse through the available Adobe applications. Select and install any applications you wish to use. Log into the applications using your Adobe ID. Access tutorials and resources within the Creative Cloud for guidance. Start creating visually impactful content for your LinkedIn profile. Utilize design tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. Focus on creating a cohesive brand identity. Incorporate your new designs into your LinkedIn profile and posts. Monitor your branding effectiveness through engagement metrics. Adjust your content based on feedback and performance. Regularly update your Adobe applications to access the latest features. Continue enhancing your branding strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.